Alright, so I got that little engine right there. I'm gonna throw in here. I built the bracket right there already. I'm gonna just throw another bracket on the other side. This shit don't gotta be super clean right now. I want to put a bigger engine in here, but for now, this is gonna have to do so I can ride it and the kids can ride it. I had to flip this over, so I had to take that off and I had to re-weld this. On this side, it was on the bottom side, so I had to flip that over. I got that done. I'm the one that painted the wheels and the frames. I'm gonna repaint it, but I just want to get it running right quick, spin it around the block, and see how it goes. And yes, I'm gonna weld with the gas tank right there, so I'm gonna record it. If the shit blow up, we going viral. All right, this shit blow up right here, we going viral today. I'm still over here grinding with this shit. The gas tank is right here. I don't give a shit. I'm too lazy to take that shit off. I just want this bitch to run. Can't find my gloves, bro. I don't know where my other glove at. So YOLO it was. Here we go. I die. Get the kids a look. Take them to Disney World with the insurance money. Dang, well, shit, the sun's in my shade. Bro, that's all we need, bro. That's all we need. I ain't even gonna show y'all the wells. They're horrible. Put one of these little JDM tires around right here, you know what I'm saying? We got to start again. Bruh, if I die, do the kids love me. Oh shit. That's coming apart there. Yeah, I'm making a mess. Fuck, I'm getting tired. I need to work out. Man, you shitting me, right? Look at this shit. Motherfucking string broke. Some bullshit. Some bullshit. Phillips and Phillips. Man, some bullshit. About to just call it quits right now. Alright, I fixed that little string shit. Now I know the fuck I didn't. Shit broke. I'm not fixing that shit again. That's it for today. Man, I'm not fucking with that shit again. That's it. I'm done. I'll try to get a bigger motor or something and put in there. But for now, nah, I'm done. Fuck that shit. Like, share, subscribe. Maybe I'll get it running next time. But that's it on Pocket Bike Chronicles. I ain't doing shit else. Nope. Tired, sleepy, hungry. I ate no breakfast this morning. Thought I'd get the pocket bike to work. Welded all that shit up. Wasted my time. I'll just get a bigger engine put in there. That shit cool, but it wouldn't have been that fast. Damn, I wanted to get it running though. Shit. Maybe next time. Like, share, subscribe. Peace.